because they allow the fruits to ripe, it put more stress on the
on
plant.
the plants, right?
Yeah, so yeah, it nutrition need to be like top, proper, monitor properly. This is Miss Lawrence, and we are getting a tour of the greenhouse, right? Of her greenhouse. So what you're doing, Miss Lawrence?
Turning off the pipe that leads to my house to drip it.
Okay, this is her tank, right? Okay,
Bad.
right. So this is your house.
Yes.
So we can go inside.
Yes, you can.
Okay. So how old are these?
3 months. 3 months old.
3 months.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And what variety do we have here?
Revelation.
Revelation. Oh,
Yes.
so everything is revelation.
Revelation and early sensation.
Yes.
It's a mixture.
Okay. All right. And this one was how many plants is it?
600 and something.
Okay. All right. Right, and these right
But
red.
I'm cleaning up if you
Oh,
notice.
so you have some yellow one here too?
Yes, I'm saying early sensation.
And revelation.
Right.
Okay. Right.
So I'm doing some cleaning up. If you as a notice.
Weeding, yeah.
Yes, I'm weeding.
Okay. Yeah. Right. But Miss Lawrence, this look like some bacterial thing too.
Like
Bacterial.
leaf spot.
Yeah. Because that.
We use boron. And from we use the boron, that's how the leaves are. We see this problem start.
Which one?
The curling of the leaves
Okay.
and the brown spots around the edge.
When you start use the boron,
Yes.
so how you use it?
We get direction how to use it.
So you throw it in the tank and feed it.
No.
You just spray it on
We
to the
mix
leaf.
it with the rest of chemical.
And just spray it on.
Right.
Okay. So with the leaf roll, you maybe they put, because it's basically almost all of the plants rolling up.
Yeah.
I never used to have that. And you say since you use the boron.
Right.
Yeah, so maybe it is that maybe too much. You see the nutrient recipe where you feed through the drip hose, you need to ensure it's the right amount of the nutrients them inside it. Because they allow the fruits to ripe, it put more stress on the
on
plant.
the plants, right.
Yeah, so yeah, nutrition need to be like top, proper, monitor properly. But the peppers them look nice. Yeah, peppers them look nice. Right? Right. They look nice. So where are we going now? So people, this is Miss Lawrence's house. Right, this is Miss Lawrence's house. And as you can see, it is very clean. You have to keep the greenhouse clean. Right? Hello, now that you're at the end, if this video was beneficial to you, please consider subscribing. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you.